Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Titanium Marketing Incorporated. They're looking for a remote fashion content writer. This pays $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Looking for a passionate and talented fashion blog writer? You must have passion for women's fashion and excited to constantly look for other types of content. Titanium Marketing is a premier digital marketing agency based in Newport Beach, California. We have clients in many industries. Our largest client, All Green Electronics Recycling, happens to be owned by the same individuals of our own marketing firm. Our goal is to create highly engaging content for Vasaro's website to ensure we're constantly talking about the latest fashion trends. We're known as the elite marketing agency, therefore our work must always stand out from the crowd in every way. Currently, we're seeking one high-quality content writer who can research and write extremely valuable educational content for those interested in fashion. Our writers receive base pay, plus monthly bonuses based on the performance of all previously written content. Some of our writers are still receiving monthly pay for content they created 3 to 5 years ago. We're not a typical SEO company, creating low-quality content filled with fluff. Instead, we only publish high-quality content that is well-researched, highly engaging, and written to be the best content available on the web for that particular topic. If you're a great writer with a passion for fashion, this is a great position for you. We're looking for individuals who are great at conducting online research, writing engaging content, and are open to learning our unique approach to writing the best content on the web. Ideal candidates will be college students, recent graduates, or experienced writers who have a passion for fashion and women's clothing, interested in having work published to grow or begin building a portfolio, can produce 2 to 5 content pieces per week on a consistent basis, are eager to search for and find the best content currently published by the biggest players in the industry in an attempt to produce even better versions, are eager to learn the best practices for content research and search engine optimization, respectful for deadlines, want to promote your writing/content across the web. Please send a brief cover letter that includes: after reading these details, why are you the perfect person for this job? How many hours per week are you available for this type of role? Explain your current knowledge about IT, data security, and/or e-waste recycling. If you're selected for the next stage, would you be interested in submitting a 500-word sample on a topic we choose? If so, how quickly would you be able to produce this content? From the time we assign it to you, your content will not be published or utilized in any way other than assess your skills. Candidates who do not specifically answer all of these 4 questions directly will be automatically eliminated. Please list the answers along with the corresponding number in the bullet or outline format. Pay options: pay per word or our least favorite option since we don't accept fluff. Pay per piece of content, better than per word but not ideal. Pay per week based on a minimum number of pieces. Bonus pay: all writers receive bonuses based on the performance of the quality of content they create. Rewards are based on readership, search engine performance, and other preset metrics that are easily tracked. These KPIs will allow you to earn additional income on a monthly basis for as long as you work for our company. The weekly pay will be based on a per article or project basis. The amount paid will vary depending on the type of content, the complexity of the material, and length. Full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, or internship positions available pays from $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Some other benefits include flexible schedule, health insurance, paid time off, professional development assistance, and tuition reimbursement, with some supplemental pay such as bonus pay and commission pay. And education, they prefer a high school diploma or equivalent. This job is fully remote, and if you would like to apply for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. So all you have to do to find the perfect best remote work from home job just for you is to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every single time we have the best work from home job for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.